I have no fear of the sea, she boldly states to me. But I am wary of any story without humility. Her words have double tonality and inharmoniously frying vowels. Love, loss, anxiety, anger, guiltily accumulate and suppress howls. She adds, unguarded, you see, her emphasis plain and true and free of tremolo duplicity. My dream is to laugh like you. I laugh as easily as seagulls fly, I say, as means to reconcile how I don't know the what or why, except it took years of work and smile.